All right. Good afternoon, Thursday. Welcome to the Whole Lot of Zeb channel. We're going to be talking backcast and listening to some great music. I actually only have one car, and it's a car that everybody has shown and has seen a million times, but when I did the comparisons, like everybody else has done with the C8s, I did one with the Mini GT and Auto World, and the one that's missing is Greenlight. And I had a complaint about the tires not filling the wheel wells on the Barrett Jackson version of the C8. So you guys look at it and tell me if you can see a difference in the wheel well. I know black is such a difficult color, but you should be able to see what I'm talking about. Alright, can you guys see it? So, on the right side of the car, I had the original tires. On the left side, I have Greenlight Corvette tires that I put on it. It's the Corvette tire pack, which is this, right down by where my thumb is. Those are the tires I use, and they are actually thicker than the ones that were on the Barrett Jackson Greenlight. And I'm kind of wondering, since the whole story about the Barrett Jackson Greenlight was more than just owning rights to the first VIN number of the C8, but you get the C8 and you get it customized how you want, which is why the C8 is black and not red like is shown on the card. The only reason the card has a red C8 is just to show an example of the Corvette or the model that the person will win, or of the like, if you will. So I'm just wondering if the guy ordered low profile tires. I mean, there's hardly any meat on the tires on the Corvettes to begin with anyway. Why would you want low profile? You're just exposing more possible damage to your wheels with low profile tires, and it looks silly. It was a simple thing of replacing the tires, and I'm just wondering if the guy really did use low profile. But that's pretty much all I got. It was just that I just wanted to show how tires can make a huge difference in the appearance of a car, but it still doesn't change the appearance of those damn headlights. Greenlight, get rid of that crap. Just do what you did with the Ford GT. Clear acrylic lenses, minimal paint. Less is more. It's that easy. If it wasn't for those headlights, I would like this Corvette as much as I like the Auto World. but those headlights kill it. The tires that I got are an improvement. That definitely improved the look of the car. But that's about it. So I do have a couple other odds and end pieces. I'm waiting on a lot of stuff to show up. So I'm kind of in a standstill right now, but I did want to show the Corvette with new tires on it and how it does change the appearance. And I do like it better with the tires that fill in the wheel well nicely. So that's all I got to show for you guys. I might have some something coming up later, but as of right now, that is pretty much it. And so until the next video, you guys stay safe and keep healthy. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, don't be shy, hit the subscribe button, hit share and the like buttons too. I will be announcing tomorrow, it is definitely tomorrow that I will be announcing the Majorette Porsche giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Definitely happening tomorrow, some point in the evening. So until then, guys, enjoy the rest of your evening, and I'll catch you on my next video. Peace.